How to check Adidas military and healthcare discount. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with an official way that we can follow up and the legit way the brands like Adidas often handle them. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can head over to adidas.com directly, and Adidas has an official discount program for certain groups. In order to view it up, we can scroll down and go to this footer section. After that, on our right hand side, we find a section called company info. Inside here, we'll be finding an option called military and healthcare discount that we can click on. And here we can see all the eligibility and how we can apply it. So here we can see what is id.me that we need and who is eligible, how do we shop online with it, and many more. After you've viewed it up, we can click on this option called full eligibility list to view it more. After that, once you've done so, we can start applying for it. So you can select the option. Here you can select the alumni, employees, and many more. And what we can do is, if we qualify as one of the following, we will be eligible for a discount code via id.me, as I said earlier. So to check and get the discount, what we can do is we can go over to the Adidas discount piece program. So go ahead and search for Adidas discount program piece and hit enter. After that, here we'll be finding this program piece that we can apply for. We can just go and look out for it and start with the process of creating or signing in with your id.me. You can look out for it and click on the specific products, and while you're checking out, you will be getting a unique discount code that you can use it online at Adidas checkout, and you can enter the code in the promo code section. Look out for the card option in the top right corner for that. You can apply the promo code in the section, use a promo code and apply it. And you can look out for this option called verify with id.me right here. And this is the this is what you use if you want to claim discount using your discount from the official Adidas military and healthcare. So you can just go and verify yourself and enter your promo code and check out, and that is it. So that's it, everybody. First of all, you must verify your eligibility and you can use the code at checkout. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.